to images and I typed in heart border. Go over to shapes, select the square, click the unlock button, and I'm just going to resize it 12 by 4. And I'm just changing the color. Then I'm just sending the background hearts to the front of it, and I'm going to resize it. And now I'm going to go over to duplicate. I'm going to go to contours, and I'm going to contour one side at a time. I'm going to do the same thing so I can get the right side of the image. So now I have the right side and I now have the left side. I'm going to go to arrange. Then I'm going to go back to images and select the mom that I like the most. Now I'm just resizing it, and then I'm going to change the color. Now I'm just going to hide the rectangle, and I'm going to center this. So I just go to align to center it, and just to give you an idea, I brought the left side heart down, and now I'm just going to select everything, go back to align and center vertically, and now everything is centered. Then I'm going to select it, then I'm going to click weld. Now I'm going to go back to shapes, select the square, resize it 8 by 4, and I'm going to change it to this darker gray because that's the tile that I'll be using. And I'm going to go to text, type in the font that I'm looking for, then I'm going to type in the words that I'm using. I do all of these individually. Now I'm just going to go to letter space so I can decrease the spaces in between it. I'm going to go to ungroup for this specific one, and then I'm going to select it and click weld. I'm going to repeat this process for the other words. And now I'm just going to select all of them and resize them at the same time.